Hi everyone, today I have the Clinique High Impact Mascara. This is such a staple mascara. I feel like it's really great for both if you want natural mascara, natural lashes, or if you want to build it up to be something more glam with a lot of volume and added length. So I love that you can do either one with this mascara, but this is in the shade Black. So I will show you all what the wand and the bristles look like. But as you can see there, the bristles are a little bit thicker, so I feel like that just helps with adding some intensity, adding some volume, as well as length. I notice that this just glides over my lashes whenever I put it on, so I don't notice a lot of clumping or unwanted buildup whenever I use this mascara. I even feel like whenever I do use a second layer that it doesn't feel super heavy either. Sometimes whenever I layer mascaras, it almost feels like it's weighing my lashes down, but I do not notice that with this one.